Hello everyone. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how to get census data or American Community Survey data using the advanced search tool. So when you click on the advanced search, it gives you several options. And the first thing that I would recommend that you do is choose your geography, and it gives you all of these options by geography. So what I'm going to select is you have American Indian area, Native area, Hawaiian homeland. You have metropolitan statistical area, urban area, metropolitan division, region, state, county, tract, block, group, block. I'm going to go ahead and select county, and I'm going to select Arizona. Okay. So when I select county and when I select Arizona, it should pull up all of the counties within Arizona. So sometimes it does take a little bit of time to load. And there we go. So within this check boxes, you can select all counties within Arizona, which will make your selection feature down here as all counties in Arizona. And right now we have 2010 as our year. We can remove that as a select feature and just have the only thing that we're selecting by is all counties in Arizona. If you don't want that, uncheck it, and then you can select which county you do want. So right now I'm going to select Maricopa County and Gila County as the two areas that of geographic constraints that I want for my tables. Okay, so now in the selected filters, that's what it'll search for. Then you can go to the years that you're interested in. You have 2010, 2010, and then 1 year increments all the way to 2018. So I'm just going to select 2010 as another constraint, and then I'm going to go to topics. So within all these topics, we have business and economy, education, employment, family and living arrangements, government, health, housing, income, poverty, populations and people, race and ethnicity. So within one of these, I'm going to choose race and ethnicity. And then we have just general race and ethnicity. But if you want to dial down and go in more in depth in a particular area, you select one that doesn't have a checkbox next to it. So if I select American Indian, Alaska Native, it means I can go in a little bit deeper. So it's like it can just be American Indian and Alaska Native alone, or it can be in combination with one or more races. So it allows you to dial down into that at a deeper level. So what I'm going to do is, or it could be just Alaska Native or just American Indian. So I'm going to select American Indian. And here, even in American Indian, if you want to go in a deeper dive into this area, you can just say, I just want to know American Indian, or you can pick a specific community that was reported within this area. So if you want to know how many a table specific to people that identified as Ak-Chin, or as Navajo, or as Hopi, or as Salt River, Gila River, Tohono O'odham, you have that option for checking, or you can just select American Indian. So it's like it does give you that option to dial down deeper into the selection process. So if I want race and ethnicity for Maricopa County and Gila County in 2010, I'm adding all of these conditions to find a table, and I'm going to tell it to search. And see, here are the search results. It shows tables, it shows maps, different pages. So I'm going to go ahead and click View All Tables. And right now I have Gila County, and Maricopa County, by sex and by age, American Indian, Alaska Native alone, and I have all of these tables that are targeted towards Gila County and Maricopa County. So if I want to download any of these, I simply can check any of them that are of interest, and I can download all of them, and I can do multiple years, either the 1 year estimates or the 5 year estimates, and get as much data as I need. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm not going to go ahead and download the data. But the next video I'm going to show you is how to customize your table within this website.